Hi, today I'd like to talk about SCALE-iFlex XLT. It's the latest member of our SCALE-iFlex family. SCALE-iFlex XLT has been specifically designed for renewable energy applications such as photovoltaics, wind converters, or energy storage systems. SCALE-iFlex XLT is a single board solution with a very compact form factor and a low component count, which is enhancing reliability. It is exactly matching the given form factor provided by the 100 by 140 mm new dual modules from different manufacturers such as Mitsubishi, Infineon and Fuji. In addition to matching exactly the given outline of the power module, it is also very narrow, which is giving you a high degree of mechanical design freedom. Isolation-wise, it can be used either in 3-level ANPC topologies. You can see an example here. So this is a very famous topology used in energy storage systems and photovoltaics. In particular, it's a 3-level ANPC. In this configuration, SCALE-iFlex XLT can provide basic isolation. It can also be used in a 2-level topology, and here it can achieve reinforced isolation up to 1700 volts modules or functional isolation for 2300 volts modules. On top of that, SCALE-iFlex XLT is providing an integrated temperature readout functionality. This is done by measuring the NTC value, which is a resistive value provided by the power semiconductor, and then this analog signal is transferred into a digital signal by using a microprocessor. Then the signal is transferred over the isolation barrier and provided with a dedicated pin on the primary side interface of the device. This signal is a PWM signal and it can be used for actively regulating your converter system. It is very beneficial. It can give you up to 30% more efficiency simply by operating devices at a temperature which is closer to the maximum allowed junction temperature. For example, if you're operating the devices at 170 degrees Celsius versus 140 degrees Celsius based on a static model, you can gain 30% more efficiency. And because it's a fully qualified off-the-shelf available plug-and-play solution, you can reduce the amount of design and qualification time with respect to a gate driver of up to 18 months. For more information, please visit our website power.com.